This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150,295 RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 6, skylight, smoke detector, external shower, spare tire kit, awning, auxiliary battery, Colorado detector, LP detector, DVD player, slideout, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150,295 RL is 8,986 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.